Hey everyone, so today we are doing multi-step No. Listen, I wasn't angry with the baby. I was angry with your crying. There's no crying over this, people. Come on, these are good stuff here. Multi-step equations. Let's go. All right. So, the big thing that we are doing here is we've got that phrase of distribute that's going to pop up here. All right. What we're going to do here is really use that phrase of, though, simplify. So we do have to watch for anything that we can simplify. Now, today is going to focus on the distributive property. But moving forward, hey, we might have some like terms to combine, distributive property. So simplify is the big phrase we're after. And then just like before, hey, we've got to undo, all right? Undo any addition or subtraction. And then lastly, we're still going to undo any multiplication or division. All right? So let's get into it. First one that's there. I see that 4 up against the parentheses. So I need to multiply to everyone who's in there. So 4 times 2x, that's an 8x. 4 times a 4, that's a positive 16. So a plus 16. And then equals 56. And oh, look who's there, people. Don't even need to ring the doorbell. Walk right in. It's a two-step equation. All right. So hence the undoing any addition or subtraction. So we've got 8x equals 40. Divide both sides by the 8s. Again, because it was multiplying by an 8, hey, x equals 5. I went right through my check spot that's there. Again, love to see it mental math here when it comes down for some of these. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 times 4 is 56. Now, let's put that in a rewind here just real quick here. I had the 4. All right. I had the 2 times a 5 plus a 4. Now, the whole idea is order of operations. So I'm not using the distributive property here. It's order of operations. I'm going inside my parentheses. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 4. So that's where I'm doing 4 times 14. And sure enough, that does give me 56. All right, let's skip over to question number 3. All right. Again, distributive property in action. But look who's out there. It's a negative. So negative 4 times 3m, a negative 12m. Remember, we're going to go visit both people inside there. It's a negative 4 times a negative 3, so that's a positive 12. All right, equals the negative 24. Two-step equation here. Undo that adding 12 by subtracting 12 from both sides. So all that I have waiting for me is a negative 12m. And on the right-hand side, combine it, say hello to negative 36. I'm going to divide both sides by negative 12 because the opposite of multiplying is to divide, and I get x equals 3. So I can check quickly here, go inside the parentheses. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus the 3 is a 6. So is negative 4 times 6 equal to negative 24? Oh, you bet it is. Absolutely, people. So you're all set on that one. That's really it when it comes down to it. I want to see if there's anyone who's sneaky that's here. Oh, you saw it down there. Didn't you see it down there? Yeah, simplify. All right. So let's kind of come back up here. Let's do this here. No. Yeah, all right, I take that back. Let's do question 6. And the only reason why I bring up question number 6 here is because there's just the letter K. No big deal, really. Just realize, what is negative 8 times K? Yeah, it's a negative 8K. All right, a negative 8 times a 4, it's a negative 32. And, hey, equals 48. 2 steps, people, 2 steps. So undo any sort of addition or subtraction. And then make sure, all right, hold on. Hold up. 74. Did I have trouble? Yeah, you gotta watch your handwriting sometimes. All right, you gotta make sure you can read what's going on. Okay. And then what we want to make sure about here is that hey, you're dividing by a negative 8. Again, it's not opposite operation and the opposite sign there. It's just that opposite operation that we're dealing with. So Yeah, 74 divided by 8. People, get your fingers out, get your toes out, whatever the case may be. Did I make a mistake? I think I did, didn't I? Yeah, 8 plus 2 is a 10. Carry the 1, so I got a 90 that's there. Is that better? Is that better, a 90? No, it's an 80, people. It's an 80 that's there. Now, all right, so I kind of ruined it here a little bit. I had a plan in place, and then, well, I abandoned it. Here's where I was going with it. There is. I was trying to get a different answer. And what I mean by that is wrong answer, something we plugged it in, it wasn't going to work. And then I got confused. Not really confused. I tried to find my mistake right away. Instead, I didn't follow the script. Okay, I didn't do it. Anyway, let's divide both sides by -8. All right, hey, k equals, all right, -10. Let's just pretend I got -11 for an answer. Let's just pretend, okay? So the whole idea is if I plugged it in, all right, what you can watch here is that would give me a -7, and then I'd be doing -8 times -7. Well, that's not 48. That's positive 56. Okay, that tells me, hey, something's off here. So, again, it is supposed to be a -10. All right, so I should be getting a -6 here. And yes, -8 times -6 is a positive 48. People, I didn't even follow my own directions. That's right there. I didn't even follow my own directions there. All right. Well, a little disappointing that that's the way I have to finish on this. I mean, we could do some more problems. We could do that. But, okay. All right. We'll just try again tomorrow, I guess. I can't even hit the pause button here. You still there? I can't get this to work at all. Let's try this again. You can stop the video if you want. Oh. I got it now. See ya.